So you've just exported your image. And now we're going to open the Paint program. It's easier to fill the colors using Paint as opposed to using Inkscape. And once that's open, you are going to go to File and open the outlined monster that you have just finished in Inkscape. It might look like a black box like mine did. Next, we're going to use the Paint Bucket tool. And it's easier if you have your drawing opened to the side so that you can match the colors. So use the Paint Bucket, fill with Color tool, and try to color in your shapes as best you can so that they match your drawing. You can edit the colors so that they're a bit more accurate. Try to color match your drawing as best as you can. And add darker areas to create tone, just like you would have done in your drawing. Make sure all gaps are filled. As you can see, I've made a mistake, so use the line tool to patch up any gaps. All fixed. Keep adding areas of tone. This helps to create realism. Zooming in will help you get accuracy of coloring in with the Paint Bucket. Once all finished, you're going to save your work. Leave the Save As type set to PNG and rename your work. And just press OK when it says transparency lost. That means our background will stay white. Okay, so there you have it. There is the finished digital copy of our monster design, which is pretty cool to see it compared to the original drawing. All done. So you have just learned the basic process of graphic design.